Step 1. Sign in with phone number and a verification code. Follow the instructions to enter. Step 2. Click Add Device or plus icon in the upper right corner to enter the device selection page. Step 3. Click Motorized TV Solution in the Autoscan page and go to Next. Step 4. Click the Wi-Fi and enter the corresponding password and click Next. The device will be added after 10 to 60 seconds. The unit will emit a beep indicating success. Once device is connected, click the Done to enter the remote dashboard. Now refer to the instruction manual in operation. Short press the MEM1, MEM2, MEM3 button on the device to save the current position to memory. Use the remote control to set the lowest height limit. Click Me at the bottom, then click Home Management. Click Create a Home. Complete new home information and save it. Choose the home you just created in the list. Choose Add Member to add other users into Home. The user will receive a notification on the app and be able to control the device after they accept the invitation. First, download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, return to the To Your app, click on Me in the bottom right corner and click the Alexa. Click Link to Amazon Alexa. Click Link to begin the linking process. Once the linking is complete, you can start controlling the TV mount via Amazon Alexa.
Alexa, set Motorized TV to up. Alexa, set Motorized TV to stop. Alexa, set Motorized TV to memory 1.
First, download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, return to the To Your app, click on Me in the bottom right corner and click the Google Assistant. Click Link with Google Assistant to launch the Google Home app. Click Agree and Link to return to the Google Home app. The linking is complete. You can start controlling the TV mount via Google Home.
OK Google, set Motorized TV to position 1. OK Google, set Motorized TV to home. OK Google, set Motorized TV to memory 2.